Today I'm getting ready to go out to my shop and work on my Cub Cadet lawn tractor. So I'm washing it. I'm outside washing it today. And as I'm doing so, I'm taking a look at the seat. So this is a seat repair that I did back in August 5th of 2021. So see my lawn tractor seat repair, universal for any tractor video. I'll put a link in this video's description of that video. This is a repair, like many repairs I do, that turn out very well and I'm very happy with. This is a repair that you need to complete so that you prevent further damage to your lawn tractor seat. As you can see, the seat is still doing very, very well. And like I said, that was the beginning of August when I did the repair. So there's several months worth of mowing on the seat, and then it sat all winter in the shed with the heat cycles of being stored, and then just a couple of mowings this season. That is the update. That concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. Be sure to watch that other video on the lawn tractor seat repair.